Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn from Content to Craft. So today I'm popping on with my card for the One Sketch Challenge, which is hosted by Lisa at Crafting Diva here on YouTube. I will leave a link to Lisa's channel. So once a month Lisa holds a sketch challenge. There are a number of people taking part. I will leave a link to their channels in my description box below. Don't forget to head over to those channels to check out what everyone else has made, as we all have our own take on the challenge. So yeah, there is the sketch, and this is my card for the One Sketch Challenge. So I will just take you through how I made my card for this month's challenge. So I'm just going to show you how I have popped my card together. So I've taken a white card blank and inked it using my Harmony Crushed Velvet ink. I've then taken this dotty, spotty paper from an ombre coloured paper pad. I have then taken this woodware stamp collection, and this is called Snail Mail, and I've stamped this cute little snail out, and this is the snail here. I've then coloured it with my gel pens, and for the snail I coloured it using my inks. So here I am just colouring my snail in, and I've mixed brown ink and a little bit of green. It is coming out a little bit more green than I wanted. However, I will go over this with a bit more brown. Okay, so I'm just going to let that dry and then I'll pop back. I've popped some foam pads onto the back, and I'm just going to pop this down onto my card. Then I've stamped onto my dotty paper, so on the pink part of the paper I've stamped Snail Mail going across, and that is just going to sit on there. So what I've done to level it up is I've popped two foam pads, one on either side, and I'm just going to peel those off and stick them down onto the bottom of the circle. So to level it up, this is the reason why I've popped my foam pads about there. And then I've taken the little speech bubble from the stamp set and the hello, and I've stamped that onto a piece of white card. And then to get the colour of the hello, I used my crushed velvet ink. I've popped some foam pads onto the back. I'm just going to pop that just about there. That is it. So that is my card for the One Sketch Challenge for this month. And yeah, that's it. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon, and bye-bye for now.